Merch by Amazon POD Store Honest Review. Watch before using. Selling custom products online can be tempting, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's easy money and overlook competition. Merch by Amazon promises a print-on-demand solution, but is it actually profitable? Merch by Amazon allows you to design t-shirts, hoodies, and other products, then list them on Amazon without holding inventory. The surprising truth is that the platform handles printing, shipping, and customer service, letting creators focus entirely on design and marketing. Some sellers make consistent income, but success depends on research, niche selection, and quality designs. Here's how it works. You upload your artwork, set product types and prices, and Amazon lists them for sale. When a customer orders, Amazon prints and ships the product, and you earn a royalty. For example, targeting a specific niche like dog lovers or fitness enthusiasts often outperforms generic designs due to lower competition. The platform is beginner-friendly, but competition is high. Most people assume any design will sell, but understanding trends, keywords, and audience preferences is essential for success. In conclusion, Merch by Amazon is an accessible way to start an online POD business, but it requires research and creativity to be profitable. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of online selling platforms.